This is a very easy way to make some easy money that I discovered recently. You can make $80 per day with this great money-making method. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You must first visit MINDSUMO.com, which is where you should start. Continue to watch the video because you are about to be amazed. As a result, MINDSUMO pays you this amount merely for finishing each offer, and the offers might be worth anywhere from a few $100s to tens of thousands of dollars. You'll see a lot of well-known organizations using this website to solve their problems and create quality items when you arrive at the homepage of this website. Additionally, these businesses will pay you more than $1,000 for each response you submit to this website. But don't worry, you are not required to write anything or have any prior understanding of these subjects. Simply choose any questions you like, and you can earn money without putting in a lot of effort. Let me demonstrate with a fresh account. Now pay close attention because the registration process is pretty challenging. Therefore, simply click on the login or sign up buttons here and provide all the necessary personal information. However, choose strong proficiency for technical, marketing, and creative abilities. Next, select the last three options by clicking Login rather than the first three. Our first step has been completed. I'm a problem solver, so you need to click this button right now. You'll be sent to this page from there. Simply scroll down and select the current challenges link. You can select any questions you want from this list. I'll just choose this one. You don't need to write anything right now, so don't stress. I'll teach you where to find content that is 100% original and will help you get accepted and succeed financially, as I have. Go to writecream.com to learn more about that. The entire article will be written for you using the free content writing tool writecream.com. So simply visit this website, register, and this will be your dashboard. As you can see, there are numerous alternatives available to you. But pick this one, Writer, for this particular strategy. Simply copy this from MINDSUMO, put it in the topic box here, and select Create Ideas from the menu. As you can see, it produces 5 ideas in a short period of time. Now simply select Next Step. As you can see, it produces 5 effective introductions for us in a short amount of time. I'll go with option number 2. After that, simply select Next Step. Click here and it will now generate an outline for us. 5 outlines are again visible. Let me pick the 4th option, then I'll select Next Step before I click Write the post. There you have it. As you just saw, the software produced a plagiarism-free piece of material for us in under a minute. You can now simply copy it and paste it into Google Docs before submitting it to MINDSUMO and earning a ton of money. That's it for today. Please like and comment and press the bell icon for more updates.